Good evening, learner. We are going to solve exercise 13C factorization, and this is part 1. That is, I am going to solve only alternate questions in today. So, question number 1 is 16 minus 9x square, and we can write it as 16 is the square of 4, so it will be 4 square minus 3x whole square, right? Hence, and as we know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b whole a minus b, simple. And it is also in the form of a square minus b square, so it will be 4 minus 3x into 4 plus 3x. You have your answer. It is too easy, right? Isn't it? Okay. Question number 3 is 4x square minus 81 y square. We can write it as 2x whole square minus 9y whole square. Now it is again in the form of a square minus b square, so it will be 2x minus 9y into 2x plus 9y. This is your answer. 2x minus 9y into 2x plus 9y. Okay. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is a plus 2b whole square minus a square. Now just look at this. Let us consider that this is a term, first term, and this as second term. Then it will be a square minus b square. Hence we are going to solve it as a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b, the formula. So it will be a plus 2b minus a into a plus 2b plus a. Now here clearly a minus a becomes 0, so we can cut it, and it will be 2b into a plus a become 2a plus 2b. Again look at here, 2 is common, so it will be, when we take 2 as common, then it will be 2 into 2 become 4, b a plus b. Question number 7. Question number 7 is a to the power 4 minus a square minus 3b square whole square. Again it is in the form of, we can write it as a square to the power 2 minus a square minus 3b square whole square. Again it is in the form of a square minus b square, so it will be a square minus a square minus 3b square into a square plus a square minus 3b square. Now it will be a square minus a square, and minus into minus become plus 3b square, and a square plus a square minus 3b square. Hence a square cancel, only 3b square left here, and it will be a square plus a square become 2a square plus minus 3b square. This is your answer. 5a minus 2b whole square minus 2a minus b whole square. Take it as a and take it as b, then it will be a square, then it will be in the form of a square minus b square. Hence by applying the formula, it will be 5a minus 2b minus 2a minus b into 5a minus 2b plus 2a minus b is equal to 5a minus 2b minus 2a minus into minus plus b and 5a minus 2b plus 2a minus b. Now we are going to solve it. Then it will be 5a minus 2a become 3a minus 2b plus b become minus b. Okay. And 5a plus 2a becomes 7a. 5 plus 2 7a. Minus 2b minus b will be minus 3b. This is your answer. Question number 11. Question number 11 is 25 2x plus y whole square minus 16 x minus y whole square. Now look at this question carefully. 25 is the square of 5 and 16 is the square of 4. So we can write it as 5 2x plus y whole square minus 4 x minus y whole square. Now just look at this. This is again in the form of a square minus b square. So it will be by the formula first term minus second term into first term plus second term, right? Okay, now we are going to solve it. So it will be 5 into 2x become 10x plus 5y minus 4x and minus into minus become 4y. Minus into minus become plus 4y, and again 5 into 2 10x plus 5 into y 5y plus 4 into x plus 4x plus into minus become minus 4 into y become 4y is equal to 10x minus 4x is equal to 6x and 5y plus 4y will be equal to 9y. 10x plus 4x become 14x and plus 5y minus 4y equal to plus y. Now again look at these. 3 is also common here, so it will be 3 2x plus 3y 14x plus y. This is your answer. Now question number 13. Question number 13 is 6 2 by 3 whole square minus 2 1 by 3 whole square is equal to we have to convert this first into improper fraction. Then it will be 3 6 are 18 18 plus 2 20 by 3 whole square minus 3 2 just 6 plus 1 7 by 3 whole square. Okay, and again look at this question carefully. It is in the form of a square minus b square, so it can be written as 20 by 3 plus 7 by 3 into 20 by 3 minus 7 by 3. So it will be 27 by 3 into 13 by 3. Now by solving it, it will be 9 3 9s are 27 and 3 3s are 9 and 13 into 3 become 39. This is your answer. Is 0.7 square minus 0.3 square. Again look at this question carefully. It is in the form of a square minus b square, so it will be 0.7 minus 0.3 into 0.7 plus 0.3 equal to 0.4 into 1, because 0 we can write it as 1.0 or 1, so it will be 0.4. Answer. Too easy, right? Now question number 17. The question number 17 is 75x plus y whole square minus 48x minus y whole square. Again, look at these. Clearly 3 is common here, right? So we are going to take 3 as common, then it will be 25x plus y whole square minus 16x minus y whole square, and we can write it as 5x plus y whole square minus 4x minus y whole square. Again, this is in the form of a square minus b square, so it will be 3 5x plus y minus 4x minus y into 5x plus y plus 4x plus y x minus y is equal to 3 5x plus 5y, by solving it, 5x plus 5y minus 4x, minus into minus become plus, 4 into y will be 4y, 5x plus 5y plus 4x plus minus minus 4y. By solving this, we have 3 5x minus 4x become x, 5y plus 4y will be 9y, and 5x plus 4x equal to 9x, and 5y minus 4y is equal to plus y. You have your answer. Now this is our last question for this particular video. It is a square minus b square minus 2b minus 1. Now a square, look at here, if you take minus as a common here, then it will be minus b square plus 2b plus 1 equal to a square minus b square plus 2 into b into 1 plus 1 square. We can write it as, and now look at this clearly, carefully, then you can see that it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b whole square. So we can write it as a square minus b plus 1 whole square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square, so we can write it as a minus b plus 1 into a plus b plus 1. Then it will be a minus b minus plus minus 1 and a plus b plus 1. You have your answer.